What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Originelle, and I'm back with another video. This video is another unboxing video. I recently purchased the Melodysusie Scarlet nail drill, and I just wanted to do an unboxing. So this is the box that it comes in, and then you just want to take this out. So this is the box. It just says Melodysusie, bring your beauty salon home, Scarlet nail drill. Just a standard box. And when you open your box, have it. Alright, you get the user manual. Another little card here, and then you get a coupon code for 20% off of some accessories. Then you have your nail drill. Okay, so you get some sanding bands here, and these look like they are fine sanding bands. Then this is your drill holder. That's what it looks like. Got this. I like that it has the numbers around it. Okay, so now this is your cable cord, and you get some drill bits, which I don't like these drill bits that comes with them. The only one I probably use would be the mandrel, and then the sanding bands up here. And what? So this is the drill. There you go. This is the drill. Silver. It has Melodysusie on it. Cord. And then it also comes with a foot pedal if you want to use that, which I'm not going to use that, so I'm just going to leave that in the box. And I'm going to go ahead and plug this up. Oh, this is really lightweight. You can barely feel it. I have it on between 10 and 15 RPM, and you can barely feel it moving. Oh, it's definitely bigger than the last one I had. This is my old one, and you can see that this is kind of small compared to that. Yeah, so I'm so excited to get started with this drill. So here I'm just doing a quick little demo of me using the drill for the first time. I had a little bit of acrylic left on my thumb, so I was just taking that off. And while I was using the drill, I will say that you could not feel the drill vibrating at all. With my old drill, you can feel it, but with this one, you don't feel it at all, which is a good thing. So yeah, I highly recommend this drill. And if you guys are looking into any drills, I highly recommend you check out Melodysusie. Again, thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.